Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name is Dwayne. I'm going to narrate this video for you. It's going to be a really quick video. I'm going to show you guys how we like to install our patented Thunder Torque exhaust inserts into touring model aftermarket slip-ons. Now these are the Tab Performance slip-ons equipped with the Zombie Baffles, but you know, a lot of these aftermarket exhausts, they look very similar in shape and size and overall design. The Vance & Hines, the Reinhardt, you know, they all have a straight through baffle that's a smaller diameter than the actual slip-on. So all of that exhaust gas flows directly through that baffle tube. So we like to treat that baffle as if it is the exhaust pipe. So a little trick to installing the TTIs to get the most benefit when used in conjunction with baffles is to install the insert into the baffle itself. And I got some photo examples up here showing you that. So the trick is you pull the baffle out, you mount the insert into the baffle, and you put it right back in. A lot of times these baffles are difficult to get out, but if your baffle comes straight out, you can leave the slip-on muffler on the bike, pull the baffle out, do the job, put it back together. But these were a little problematic. You can see Devin here fighting with this one. Sometimes it takes a little convincing to get that baffle out of there. But once you get it out, the process is pretty simple. You'll drill your 3/8 mounting hole at or near the exit of the baffle. You'll then mount your insert in there. And for this installation, we chose the 118 with the longer threads. These inserts are available with various bolt thread lengths so that you can get that insert centered. If you're looking to tone it down the most, you would install a slightly larger insert, the 158. But for this application, we're going to maintain some volume. We're going to go with that smaller insert, the 118. Fits very cleanly in there. You can't see any of the hardware from the outside since it is attached to the baffle itself. So we're going to go ahead and mount that in there. And then, of course, there's going to be some extra thread length exposed. You're going to have to cut or grind that off so that this baffle assembly equipped with the TTI will fit right back into the muffler. Now I'm going to give you guys some sound clips that show you what it sounds like, you know, with the original slip-ons on this Gen 2 CVO, which, you know, I would consider these stock because they're very quiet. Sounds like a sewing machine, as you can tell. They're going to show you what these slip-ons sounded like when they were not equipped with the Thunder Torque inserts. And then, of course, finally, here's the sound with the inserts in there. It's a much deeper, much lower tone, gives it more of a grumble, takes some of that bark away, and just sort of tames the sound, in addition to increasing low and mid-range power. Now, I hope this video helped you guys out. If you're interested in getting yourself a set of these inserts, you can check out the link below. It takes you to dkcustomproducts.com. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to shoot me an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com or give us a call, 662-252-8828. We have an entire customer service team ready to help you out. Y'all ride safe out there.